Hello there, my friends, and welcome. I am the amazing Angela, and what I do is I share with you simple ways for you to earn a passive income online. So, what you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember to smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be showing you how to use LeadsLeap to drive traffic to your website on autopilot. Now to do this, I'm going to log into my back office here of my email, and we get a weekly overview email from LeadsLeap showing us how our account has done the previous week. So I am a pro member of LeadsLeap and I have 10 pro accounts here. So you can see in the last week, I've received 1,618 hits to my site. Now, what I like about LeadsLeap is that these hits come from within the members area and outside the members area as well. For instance, here you can see these are pro ads here that I can actually click and view those ads if I wanted to. Otherwise, you can just click here to log into your back office. Remember, you have to be a pro member to set these pro ads up. So if you want to set them up, go here to post pro ads. You can set up 10 ads and you can set up as many opportunities as you want, 10 opportunities, or you can have the same ad opportunity with different ads, whatever you want. And then you can see here how many hits you've got to that ad in the last 7 days, how many were real. A real means they were on the page for more than 10 seconds. That's always handy. And yeah, very powerful way to get traffic to your offer on autopilot. And if we go back here, we can see here I actually got credit ads as well. So I got 83 views to my credit ads. And what that is you can place a credit ad as a free member. So to do that, you go here, post credit ad, and you can see that it has free beside it. So what you do is you come in here, you set up the ad, and in order for you to actually get hits to your ad, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and view other ads. So for instance, I can view an ad here from the email, one of these pro ads. I can view that, or I could view any of these ads really. So I can click there, and to view the ad, then I have to open it here. It opens another window, and I can view this ad for as long as I want to. There's no time or anything like that. And then that way I can earn credits, and then other people can view my ads as well. The other way to view ads is from the back office right here. From your dashboard, there's always going to be ads everywhere, right? Surf and earn. So you can just go ahead and click whatever ad that you want and view that ad for however long that you want. So every ad you view, depending on how long you view it for, you get credits as well. Okay, so very powerful. And then let's go back here and see what else. Oh, follower message. This is very powerful. My follower message has had 7 hits in the past week, which is great because it's another just set and forget way to get traffic to your website. And I think I have logged out. Let me see. Let's go here to follow a message through the back office. Right. So to go to follow a message from the dashboard, you scroll down. You go to my followers, message followers here, and then you can come in here and just type in a message, right? Type a message, type the link that you want them to click, and then hit save and submit. So you can see here, these are I am their follower. The follower message is shown to your downline up to 10 levels deep, right? So I am in these people's downlines, and I can see their message every time I log in. And when you write your message, your downline will be able to see your message as well. So you can see here, I have 442 followers who get to see that follower message. And referrals, this is no referrals last week. My level 6 to level 2 to 10, there's been 6 new members. Level 11, 2 members. So as I say, these members will be able to see my message in the back office among other messages. And then here, earnings, $23 the last week. You can actually earn as a free member, you earn 20% from your direct referrals, and as a pro member, you earn 50%, and that's a monthly recurring commission. So thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. If you found value,